Fulton Bank has had experience with a unified CRM system. And we've been using that for years. We use the same CRM system across our commercial, consumer, and wealth lines. The difficulty with what our former CRM system is that even though we use the same system, information really couldn't be shared very widely across. From our end on the wealth management side, there's information that we just can't share or should not share. Clients expect a very high level of privacy, and they don't want that going across the consumer and commercial bank, and to some degree, vice versa. But we have recently modified our CRM program. We've got a new provider, and frankly, we're still installing it. We're not quite all the way there, but we're now going to be able to share that information more uniformly. And the things that need to be private will be private, but the things that don't need to be private won't have to be private. So we will be able to have a better overall experience for our teams with a unified CRM system. At the same time, like I'm certain, like many, many, many other institutions, and you mentioned this before, Jeff, institutions struggle because they're on different systems and they're on different platforms. So our consumer system's on one set of information, our mortgage is on another, and we're on a third, and our commercial group is on a fourth. And that doesn't even talk about our international group and all the other folks that have all different systems. But we have spent a lot of time over the last several years trying to build a uniform data model behind the scenes where all of that data goes into basically a very singular place. And we will then be able to port that information into our CRM system so that we'll be able to see across our whole company, householding in a way that we haven't been able to see it before, so that we can really understand the value that our clients are bringing and be able to help them understand what other opportunities there are within our own company to serve them better and more quickly.